equisitum shoot TS. Shoot TS means shoot transverse section. Shows spheroidal outline with ridges and furrows. Spheroidal outline with ridges and furrows. The equisitum shoot TS shows mainly three zones. One is epidermis, second one is cortex, third one is stele. Third one is stele. Epidermis is a outer layer. See, it is epidermis. Epidermis is a outer layer. It made by rectangular parenchyma cells. It gives a perfect shape to shoot and it protected to inner parts. Outside of epidermis, thick cuticle is present. Thick cuticle is present means the equisitum shows xerophytic character. Equisitum shows xerophytic character. Beneath of these epidermis or below the epidermis, cortex is present. The cortex divided into two major portions, major subportions. One is outer cortex is called hypodermis. Inner cortex is called normal cortex. Hypodermis present beneath of the epidermis. It made by chlorenchyma tissue. Chlorenchyma tissue. Chlorenchyma tissues means it can prepare food material by the photosynthesis. It can prepare food material by photosynthesis. So, hypodermis participated in the photosynthesis. They need gas exchange. So, for the needed gas exchange, stomata-like structures are present on the epidermis. Stomata-like structures, not visible in the diagram, but stomata-like structures are present on the epidermis. The stomatas are look like sunken stomata. Stomatas are look like sunken stomata. So, hypodermis prepare food material by the photosynthesis. Beneath of these hypodermis, normal cortex is present. The normal cortex is also called inner cortex. Inner cortex made by normal parenchyma cells. They are loosely arranged. They maintain intercellular spaces. They mainly helps in storage of food material. And one more important point in the inner cortex, at the furrows region. See children, these are the furrows regions. Here also furrows region. At the furrows region in the inner cortex, canal-like structures are present. The canal-like structures are called vallecular canals. Canal-like structures are called vallecular canals. And they are filled with water. Vallecular canals are filled with water. It shows hydrophytic character. It shows hydrophytic character. Below these inner cortex, stele is present. The stele surrounded by endodermis. It is endodermis. Below the endodermis, single or multi-layer of pericycle is present. Below the pericycle, vascular bundles are present. The vascular bundles are arranged in a radial position. Vascular bundles are arranged in a radial position. So vascular bundles are arranged in a radial position. The vascular bundles contains xylem and phloem tissue. Based on the arrangement of xylem and phloem, the vascular bundles are called conjoined, collateral, closed. Conjoined, collateral, closed type of vascular bundles. Conjoined means the xylem and phloem tissues are fused. It is the phloem tissue, it is the xylem tissue. phloem tissues towards outside of towards epidermis, and xylem tissues towards inside. Between the xylem and phloem, cambium is absent, so we called closed. Conjoined means xylem and phloem tissues are jointed and form a vascular bundle. Conjoined. Closed. Closed means between the conjoint xylem and phloem, cambium is absent, called closed type of vascular bundle. Conjoint. Collateral. Collateral means the conjoint vascular tissues are arranged in a side-by-side arrangement, called collateral vascular bundles. And the xylem containing water canal at center region or between the protoxylem and metaxylem. Between the protoxylem and metaxylem, water canal like structures are present. The water canal like structures are called carinal canals. Carinal cavity. The carinal cavity is also called carinal canals. These are filled with water, means carinal canals also shows hydrophytic character. At center region of stele, cavity is present, called pith cavity. Pith cavity is present at the center region. If the cavity is present, it shows hydrophytic character. See children, from the equisitum shoot TS, xerophytic characters are present as well as hydrophytic characters also present. What are the xerophytic characters? One is cuticle, present at outside of epidermis. Second one is sclerenchymatous hypodermis at the advanced stage, but at early stage chlorenchymatous hypodermis, and sunken stomata are present in the epidermis. These three characters belongs to xerophytic characters, and three hydrophytic characters also present. In the inner cortex, carinal canals are present. Carinal canals are hydrophytic character. Between the protoxylem and metaxylem, inner cortex, vallecular canals are present. The vallecular canals are hydrophytic character. They are present in inner cortex at the furrows region. And at the ridges region, at center region of stele, vascular bundles are present. Between the xylem and phloem, carinal canals are present. The carinal canals are also shows hydrophytic character. And at center region of the stele, medulla is present. The medulla shows a cavity-like structure called pith cavity or medullary cavity. These three belongs to hydrophytic characters. Once again, repeat children. Cuticle is the xerophytic character. Hypodermis is a xerophytic character, is made with sclerenchyma. Sunken stomata also present in the epidermis is also called xerophytic character. And hydrophytic character is vallecular canals present in the cortex, carinal canals present between the protoxylem and metaxylem, and pith cavity present at the center region of the stele. These are three hydrophytic characters and three are xerophytic characters.